Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not launching in the website. Now, this basically happens because of two main reasons. Reason number one, guys, is that you need to come to your Chrome. For my case, I'm using Chrome on my laptop or desktop. Come and tap on the three dots, scroll down, choose settings. Once you choose settings, guys, go ahead and open up the privacy and security. After that, go ahead and choose third-party cookies. After that, you can either choose to search for Roblox over here, or if that is tiresome, you can just come over here and make sure this is enabled. Allow third-party cookies. If you haven't allowed this, then Roblox won't be running. Now, after toggling it on, come back over here and then try to run Roblox. If that doesn't work, go ahead and check out your internet section. Now tap on the Wi-Fi. For my case, I'm using Wi-Fi. Quickly put on airplane mode for like 2 to 3 seconds, then turn it off. After that, come back to your Wi-Fi. Now go ahead and reconnect on the Wi-Fi you've been using. After that, come to search bar over here. Go ahead and search for Roblox. And then try to log in and see if this time Roblox will load normally. As you can see, guys, it has finally loaded normally. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel.